Hello all dear students. Today in this lecture we are going to study the characteristics of the company in detail. First we will see the meaning of the company. The word company is derived from the Latin word cum, that is with or together, and panis, that is bread, which means group of persons or traders discussing matters and taking food together. Means group of people coming together to discuss the different matters. It is known as a company. Company is association of individuals formed for some common purpose. It is association of persons formed to carry on some businesses for profit or to promote art, science, education or some charitable purpose. It is known as a company. Let's see the definitions of the company. First definition, according to Professor Hane, a company is an artificial person created by law having separate entity with perpetual succession and common seal. Here in this definition, Professor Hane has discussed four parts known as artificial person, separate entity, perpetual succession and common seal. Second definition, according to Justice James, company is an association of persons united for common object. Means group of people coming together to form a company. It is known as a company. According to section 220 of Companies Act 2013, company means a company incorporated under this act or under any previous company law. Means as per the Companies Act 2013, any business organization registered under this act will be known as a company. Let's see the different characteristics of the company. First one, voluntary registered organization. Voluntary registered organization means the group of people coming together voluntarily to form a company. For example, for private limited company, minimum 2 people should come together, and for public limited company, at least 7 members or people should come together to form a company. But after coming together these people, the registration of company is compulsory or mandatory. Means without the registration, company will not be existed. So the registration of the company is compulsory or it is binding on the company. Second characteristics, separate legal entity. Separate legal entity means business or the company is separate from its members. Means company is having the separate status, separate legal status. Company can keep the property on their name, not on the owners or not on the members, because company will be treated as a separate legal entity. Means company is existed separately from its members. Third characteristics, artificial person. There are two types of the persons, natural person and artificial person. Natural person means all of us as a natural person. Artificial person means the person created by law only. Means company is artificial persons. Hence the company also get the all rights like a humans. For example, to buy the property, to keep the property on the name of the company, to file the suit against any person or any company. Though these rights will get to the company because company is treated as a artificial person. Company is also having the nationality like India, means we are all Indians. Like same company is also we mention as a Indian resident. Means company is also known as a artificial person. Fourth one, common seal. Company is a artificial person, still that company cannot sign the document. So to sign the document there should be the any signature. So common seal is the any sign or sign which is used as a signature of the company, and that common seal of the company is put on the all important documents of the company. It is works as a signature of the company. Fifth one, limited liability. The liability of the members in the company is limited up to the shares held by them. For example, if any member has purchased share of rupees 100 face value, so his liability towards the company is only of rupees 100 only, or if any member has paid the half amount on the shares, so his liability will be liability towards the company will be only that half amount which he should pay to the company. Means the liability of the all the members in the company is limited. Hence you can see the name of the any company that limited word is mentioned in the company. For example, Tata Limited or Reliance India Limited. Limited word showing that the liability of the members in the company is limited. It may be private limited or public limited company. Sixth characteristic, perpetual succession. Perpetual succession means company will existed, means there is no natural death for the company. So company is having the separate legal entity, so it is separated from its members. So the death or insolvency of member or any director will not affecting on the existence of the company. Company will work long lasting. It is known as a perpetual succession. Seventh characteristic, transferability of the shares. Company raise the capital by issuing the shares. So after buying the share, members get the ownership of the company. If any member wish to sell the shares, then he can easily transfer the ownership of the shares from one person to another person. It is very easy to transfer the ownership of the shares from one person to another person. It is a main characteristics of the company, because in the partnership it is difficult to transfer the share of any partner, because to transfer the share of any partner, that partnership is dissolved. So it is not necessary in the company to dissolve that company or anything. So the ownership of the shares can be easily transferred from one person to another person. It is known as a transferability of the shares. Eighth characteristic, separation of ownership and management. The number of members in the public limited company is huge, and in also private limited company maximum 200 members are coming together. So it is not possible to include or involve all the members in the management of the company. Hence all the members appoint the directors to see the management of the company. So here ownership of the company is with the members of the company, but they are not able to participate in the management of the company. Hence they appoint the directors to see the management of the company. So here we see that there is a separation of ownership and management of the company. So here in this topic we studied the eight characteristics of the company. If you have any doubt regarding these characteristics, you can write an email on the shindeav89@gmail.com. Thank you.